guys, it's Ashley live here. Hope you all living well, living beautiful. So I just did a video of this hairstyle and this look, and y'all just gotta see it. Super easy quarantine style. I wanted to do something that would take like not too much time and something that I feel like anybody could do. So as y'all can see, it came out really cute. I really like it. This is my quarantine week 6 look.
Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you.
Alright, so jumping right into it. So hair days for me are usually a ritual. I like to chill, got my music on, and I have a glass of Moscato there. So my hair has been washed, conditioned, and blow dried. I do blow dry on a cool setting just so that I'm not adding any extra heat. So then you just go in, you start sectioning it off wherever you want your main part to fall. I love a middle part. So I'm taking my Shine Jam and like making sure that part is slick and laid. Y'all, Shine Jam is the best. Like, y'all gonna see my edges. Watch, just wait for them edges. So I'm just going in and making sure this part is super duper neat and clean. That's gonna be the most important thing. Like when you're doing protective styles, like you really want to make sure these parts are super neat and super clean. You want to see those lines stand out. The size is totally up to you. I only used 2 packs of hair, so I wanted to make sure that they were kind of big. This is what's going to take you the longest. Everything else is going to be a breeze. So here's my finished result. Next, we're going to go into the hair. I used Equal Cuban twist hair, and I used 2 bags because I had about 21 braids. One of my friends was on the phone with me while I was making this video, and he said that Michael Jordan was on an interview saying how his dad was 5'7" and his mom was 5'3", and the milkman was 6'7". So, you know. That ain't your daddy.
That's not your daddy.
What?
Which one is harder? Letting go, moving on, starting over?
Is that 3 different options?
Yep. Which one is harder? Letting go, moving on, starting over?
Letting go for me. How about you? Once I let go, moving on. Once I let go, I can move on.
Yeah,
And then once I move on, it's nothing to start over. But letting go is the hardest.
Yeah, let's go.
You can't let go. Nothing else is possible. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little intermission. So I would like to know what y'all think in the comments. Like, what's harder for you? Letting go, the process of letting go, the part like when you have to move on, actually move on from something, or is it harder for you to start over, start something fresh? I know everybody's pretty different. For me, it's always been like the initial act of like letting something go, like actually like releasing it to, you know, God, and like once I can do that, I can pretty much move on and, you know, do whatever it is that I need to do. I can, you know, go forward, but it's always hard, that initial process for me. A queen. So anywho, off that, back to the hair. So you guys can see I am using a crochet method here. So pure magic, easy breezy. So I'm looping in the hair that I have and just pulling it underneath that rubber band. So you want to make sure that it's even on both sides. So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of stretching it out, make sure it's even right in the middle. And then I'm gonna, you know, detangle my hair, make sure no hair got caught under that rubber band. And then I'll split it in half and make sure it's nice and snug and close to the scalp. So I'm gonna get a little closer here for you guys so you can see what I'm actually doing. I'm just splitting the hair in half now. And then I'm gonna pull and then twist. So that twisting motion, I'll twist as I wrap. A lot of people don't do the twist, so you want to make sure that you're twisting and wrapping. So I went ahead and zoomed in for you guys to really see a close-up visual of how I'm doing this. So once again, you pull it real snug, make sure it's nice and close to the scalp. And you don't want to go too tight here, guys. Like, this is a protective style, and especially around the hairline, you want to make sure you're not like putting too much tension on your hairline. So as you can see, I'm twisting my hair in with the Marley hair, twisting and roping it around. So you just twist and rope, twist and rope, twist and rope. And so you're gonna do this all the way down, but you want to make sure you're giving it that twist as you're opening it up, like pull and twist so that it has that rope effect, because if you don't, it's just gonna you know, it's not gonna have that defined look. So you wanna make sure it's super duper defined. So twist it and rope it. Go ahead and put it under in between those fingers, and you grab the second piece and twist and rope. So you see where I'm locking it in between my middle finger, and then I'm giving it a little pull as I twist, and then I'm roping it under. So that is gonna be the key here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let you guys just watch and learn. And I'm not gonna speed it up. I'm gonna leave it at, you know, normal speed, because I want you guys to really see like the details of how I'm actually twisting and roping this all the way down.
Don't let me be. Won't you set me free? Break this on me. Break this on. I got them shackles off my feet, yeah, yeah. Can't put me back up in them streets, yeah. I couldn't move, but now I'm free, yeah, yeah. I got them shackles on my feet, yeah, yeah. I got them shackles off my feet, yeah, yeah. Can't put me back up in them streets, yeah. I couldn't move, but now I'm free, yeah, yeah. I got them shackles on my feet, yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, so yeah, you just twist it all the way down to the ends. Make sure it's kind of stuck together, and then you want to go ahead and give it a little palm roll, and that's it, guys. You don't have to dip this or do anything else. If you want to add some curls or something to the bottom, you can, but the only thing you have to do now is the finishing touch and make sure those edges are laid, okay?
Yeah, yeah. I got them shackles off my feet, yeah, yeah. Can't put me back up in them streets, yeah. I couldn't move, but now I'm free, yeah, yeah. I got them shackles on my feet, yeah, 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 yeah. Don't let me be.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that look. Thanks for checking out my video. Stay tuned for more. I will have more drops coming for y'all, more videos, more tutorials, more talks and topics coming really, really soon. So thanks for checking this video out. Hope to see y'all soon.
Yeah, I got them shackles off my feet, yeah, yeah. Can't put me back up in them streets, yeah. I couldn't move, but now I'm free, yeah, yeah. I got them shackles on my feet, yeah, 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 yeah.